Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make grilled fish. Start with the right fish, like salmon or snapper, about 1 inch thick. Pat it completely dry to ensure a beautiful sear and prevent sticking. Next, lightly brush both sides with olive oil and season generously with your favorite spices, perhaps some fresh dill and lemon zest. Preheat your grill to a steady medium-high heat, around 400 degrees Fahrenheit, for optimal cooking. This initial preparation is key for a delicious grilled fish. Now, let's get grilling. Ensure your grill grates are spotless and well-oiled to prevent any sticking. Carefully place your fish, skin side down if applicable, onto the hot grates. Let it cook undisturbed for about 3 to 5 minutes until it releases easily. Then, gently flip it and continue cooking for another 2 to 4 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. To truly elevate your grilled fish, consider adding some flavor boosters. Placing lemon slices or fresh herbs like rosemary directly on the grill alongside the fish infuses wonderful aromas. You can also baste the fish with a simple herb butter or a light marinade during the last few minutes of cooking. For an extra smoky touch, try grilling on a pre-soaked cedar plank. Always finish with a squeeze of fresh lemon or lime juice. Let's talk about avoiding common grilling mistakes. The biggest one is overcooking. Fish cooks quickly, so watch it closely to prevent it from becoming dry. Resist the urge to move the fish too frequently. Let it develop a nice crust before flipping. Always ensure your grill is properly preheated and oiled to prevent sticking. A thin, flexible fish spatula is your best friend for gentle handling and perfect flips.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.